not clear your pimples. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For those coming across the channel for the first time, hi, my name is Choma Akujeze. Like you all know, I share skincare tips, product reviews, DIYs, healthcare, and all that goodies that you would actually love. And trust me, you're going to find them valuable and very what's important. Okay, so click this subscription button, like this video to be what part of the family. I saw a lady walking to the cosmetic store. She had 6 acne and she was like, oh, she wants to get the toner. She was like, I want to use it for acne. I said, are you using it as a toner or as a cleanser? She's like, she's using it for both. And I'm like, that is all you're using. You don't use any other thing. Dettol will not clear your acne. Dettol will not clear your pimples. It will not clear it by itself. It will not do the magic. Dettol will not clear your skin in 3 days or 4 days. If you have serious acne, if you have cyst acne, Dettol will not clear it totally, okay? It would help, but it's not going to do it by itself. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you a lot about these Dettol products, these antiseptic products, and also giving you the benefits here. I'll be sharing with you the benefits and the side effects of using these products wrongly. I'm going to actually clear the air on Dettol clearing your skin within 3 days or 4 days. Please, okay? So stay tuned to the end of this video. Do not go anywhere because a lot is going to be spilled in this video, okay? Dettol is a cleaning disinfectant and antiseptic. It actually helps to do what? Clear microbial infection. So when you hear about Dettol, what should come to your mind is Dettol actually helps to clear bacterial germs that could actually be of harm to us. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I said our skin is the largest organ of our body, and we need to be very careful and sensitive to what we actually use or put around our skin, or what we actually attract to our skin. One of the fastest way germs can actually enter into our body and cause sickness for us is through our skin. Here's a disclaimer: this is just my opinion, based on my experience, research, and reviews. Okay, it actually contains chlorosinolol, and this ingredients in it targets what? Skin infections and skin bacteria. That means it actually has a tendency to do what? To clear, to help with your acne and pimples, because acne, pimples, they all fall under that category of being a bacteria, okay, that can cause infection. Okay, so yes, Dettol has the tendency to actually do what? Help to treat acne and pimples, help to clear acne and also help to clear pimples. Okay, now what are the benefits of using this Dettol? Number one is daily protection. When you go out during the day, you come back after you are exposed to a lot of things, you come back and you use this Dettol to actually cleanse or have your bath or take a very good shower. It's a good one. Number two is germs protection. It actually helps to prevent your skin from germs. Number three is it actually helps to give us like a healthy pH balance. Can Dettol actually help to clear your acne? Can Dettol clear your pimples? Will Dettol clear your dark spot? Will Dettol clear hyperpigmentation? The answer is no. It would not. But in the case of actually clearing acne and pimples, it is just going to help with the process, because you must have already gotten a skin regimen, a skin care routine. Okay, so when it comes to clearing dark spots, it does not have any ingredients in it that will clear your dark spots. Don't be wowed away by a lot of things that you're seeing online. Okay, you want to clear acne, you want to clear dark spots, and instead of it to go to a cosmetic store and get skincare products or even get supplements that will help with it, you are going to the pharmacy, you're going to the supermarket, and you are in antiseptic stand, you are getting Dettol and Savon. Really? Like really? Really? So the Dettol will not do something like that. Like I said earlier, it would help with the process of doing what? Clearing acne or clearing pimples on the face. But one thing you need to know is that Dettol actually has side effects. What are the side effects of using Dettol on your skin wrongly? Number one side effect of using Dettol wrongly on your skin, especially on your face, is Dettol can cause dryness. The alcohol ingredient in it is it's actually on the high side. It can actually cause dryness, and if you have a sensitive skin plus a dry skin, it is going to increase the sensitivity level of your skin. Even if you do not really have a sensitive skin, Dettol can actually still cause dryness. So when using Dettol, you want to make sure that you are locking it up or you are bombarding it with a lot of moisturizers and hydrators, because those things will actually help with your healing process. Okay, so yes, that is number one side effect. It can cause dryness. Number two, readiness is also connected to dryness, because anything that can actually cause dryness also has probability of doing what? Increasing the sensitivity level of your skin, and by doing that, it can start making your skin sensitive and giving you a burning sensation, and that is when readiness comes in. And this one happens when you use Dettol directly on your skin without diluting it with water. Like, how can you use Dettol and you're just using it directly on your face with the high concentration of alcohol in it? You're not using it on your face, directly on your face. Even if you have a normal skin, it still has every probability of doing what? Increasing the sensitivity level of your skin. So you want to make sure that you're not doing that. Okay, so please take note of that. It can also cause itching, it can cause swelling. Yes, all of them are also associated to what? Dryness. Okay, and skin problem. And Dettol can also cause a very, very serious irritation in the eyes. Do not use it directly on your face. It is wrong. And if for that time that if you are treating cyst acne, like big acne, and because you saw somewhere that it's all actually help to clear your acne, and you just go to the cosmetic store or maybe a supermarket and you go and pick Dettol and you are using it just like that on your face as a cleanser or a toner, and yes, on that quote, Dettol should never be used as a cleanser or toner. Don't make that mistake of using Dettol as a cleanser or toner, please. Like, it's just so wrong. You are increasing chances of doing what? Prolonging the healing process. So please take note of these things. If you must actually use Dettol on your face or to actually treat acne or to treat pimples, it's best you dilute it with water. You can actually get a container and pour little. And it depends on the size of the container though. You can pour little, maybe like half of this cup. I'm using my own measurement, like half of something like this here. You pour it into that little container. Then you pour in water. Just doing that alone, you see that it has already changed color. It's already going to be white already. And you can use it as your cleanser to cleanse your face, to remove bacteria and all that. Okay, Dettol will not clear your acne completely. No. From my own opinion, my research and reviews that I've gotten and also experienced too, Dettol will not, because it does not have the tendency to do that. Fine, it kills bacteria, fine, it can actually help with skin infection. It can only help with the healing process. But if you want to actually clear acne, especially cyst acne or serious acne, you want to use products that actually target that particular acne. Like, you want to make sure that you are using products that are infused with salicylic acid or very, very good acne actives that will actually help to target your acne and heal it. Okay, that will not go and cause something else for you on your skin, because the skin is too sensitive to be tampered with. Just that's one simple little mistake that you've made. You've destroyed your skincare barrier, and that's why a lot of people have actually destroyed their skin barrier. Like, the lines of their skin is broken. That is why they keep having series of skincare issues that nothing they've used on their skin that is not working, till they start taking in supplements that would actually help to do what? To revive their skin and restore their skin barrier again. So when it comes to treating acne, especially cyst acne or hormonal acne or very, very serious acne, you cannot just bank on just Dettol alone. It's wrong. You cannot just bank on just Dettol alone. You want to place yourself on a skincare routine. Find your skin is very sensitive. You want to make sure that you are going in hand with cleansers, toners, soaps, actives gel like acne gel actives, creams, and when using Dettol, you want to dilute it with water. You want to do what? You want to dilute it with water and also follow the manufacturer's prescription of using Dettol. Before you mandatory use Dettol on your skin, the first thing you want to do is to carry out a patch test. Carry out a patch test to know if this product your skin can tolerate it. Not just for Dettol, in every any skincare product you want to use, you want to make sure you're carrying out a patch test, maybe by this area of your skin or maybe a part of your skin, to know how your skin reacts to it. Like I got a face cream one time, so I carried out a patch test on my skin. Like when I used it on my face like this, it was giving me a burning sensation. I was like, what? Like I could not even like go out under the sun because man, it was just as if I should put my head inside water. That was how bad that cream was. But when I gave it to my sister to actually try it, she was so happy. She was like, wow, it's so well to her skin. It's so well to her skin, making her skin soft. That is also moisturizing her skin, and she loves the fragrance. So I was like, maybe my skin is reacting to the fragrance of the cream. So it's always important that you carry out a patch test to know whether your skin can actually tolerate this product. Like I said, dilute it with water. Do not be harsh on your skin. Don't say that you want to wash or squeeze out the life of the acne out of your face. You want to plug it out like you're plugging out mango from a tree. You want to wash all your sins away. Oh no, now you want to make sure that you're diluting it with water, okay? Back up your skin with a lot of moisturizing and hydrating skincare products. It is an antiseptic. It is a disinfectant. It's actually used for cleaning. It's also used for cleaning, like cleaning your environment. And because your skin stays in the environment, your skin is what any germs in your environment, it first stays on your skin. That is why Dettol is good for the skin. But you should be mindful of how you actually use it because of the high concentration of alcohol that is inside, okay? But that is that about today's video. If you found this video really helpful, please do not forget to like this video to show your support to me and say thank you for sharing these healthy tips for us. And also come down to the comment section and put down your thoughts on this particular product, this Dettol Antiseptic product. Let me know your thoughts about it. Have you used it before? If you use it for your acne or your pimples or any skin infection, please come down and share it. And yes, Dettol can actually help for skin infection. Like I said, it has tendency to do that. But like I said, it will not help to clear all your sins away, like clear acne and pimples and the rest of them, okay? So before I forget, do not forget to use a sunscreen. Okay, I'm going to link the video to sunscreen up here. It's going to also be in my description box. Check so that you can actually find out sunscreen that will suit so well for your skin. Okay, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe too. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one.